Hey, look out, man. You gonna make a full pass? You gonna make a full pass tonight?
Yeah, man. I got racing with Nitrous Fbo.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I'm ready.
Giving him the hand, so.
What?
Yeah.
You think you gonna be able to go around them? Golly. Y'all doing it for money? Oh, just fun. Well, I'm gonna bet with, I don't know if you can, you think you gonna just go around them like that? You done upgraded this thing, man. Hey, y'all, Fast World Problems, he sneaky. He done added another part on this damn thing, y'all. He done probably added 80 more damn horsepower. Oh yeah, man, I just changed the pulley and added E85 and yeah, and a tune. Look, see what I tell you. It's finna go down. See, my boy Team Thunderstick, he said, yeah, he is sneaky, man. They know you already, man. They know you, man. Y'all, see y'all, look, he got that baby seat, and that's just to disguise you and trick you, get you comfortable. Once he gets you comfortable, you be thinking, I don't gotta try that hard at the light. Then next thing you know, he in front. Once he get in front, ain't no run him down. It just look like that, man. I'm telling y'all, he got some horsepower, man. This ain't the regular 707. This ain't the regular, y'all. Y'all, I got the wrong look, man. He got this thing clean, man. Already, you have a good one, man. This thing here running. I don't know what to say about him. That's all I got to say. This thing flying. Yeah. He got that intake, y'all. You see if he can stay out here on this Trackhawk. Yeah, I know it. He ain't trying to hear it. Let's see what this thing gonna do, y'all. Oh, okay, T let his bodyguard out. Yeah, the GoPro is on. Let me see. All right, we got this Camaro right here, y'all.
Who you like?
Yeah, I think this here, I think this a good one.
Who you like?
We got, yeah, I think he getting the hit, but I don't think everybody know it.
Yeah.
You think we need to bet with the car that's getting the hit since they don't know it, or you think he gonna get ran around?
He gonna get ran around.
Damn. This thing running like that? I ain't know he was running like that. Uh-oh, he didn't crunk up, y'all. It sound good.
That must got a good tune on that.
Finna get odds. Damn, I don't know where to bet at, y'all. Y'all think he gonna stay out there? He getting the hit. Man, it's hard to catch somebody with the hit. Where you at, fool? He get the hit? Who getting the hit? I'm just saying, I think it's somebody getting the hit, man. Where you at, though? You right here? I think I might need to go on. Let me see where Funky Town. Huh, 20 to 10? You gonna get, you giving me odds? I get that side. All right, 20 to 10, bet, that's a bet. Okay, hey, yeah, he just told me, hey, bet, give me some odds. Give me some odds, I'll take the Camaro. Give me some odds. Hey, who I bet? You. I'm over there. And all right, bet. And I got that side. Hold up, man. Hold on, y'all. I'm putting up more money than y'all. Who putting up more money? You, right? Okay. Hey, let me get it straight with. Hey, you putting up the 40, right? Nah, never mind. I ain't fucking with you. Nuh-uh. Nah, no bet. I got him only. We bet 10. 20 to 10. All right, your 20 to my 10. Bet, hell yeah, I'll take that all day. Fuck that, that's... Damn, I wanted some more, really. Look out, look out. I'm trying to see, man. What you think about this?
Camaro's getting the hit.
Yeah, you think he's strong enough?
I'm gonna go with the Trackhawk.
What? This thing running like that?
You want a 20?
Man, I got odd money, 10 to 20, man. Nah, I ain't betting you.
Hey, say your channel real quick.
Hey, look out, man. My YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, man. Y'all check out Lookout Racing on YouTube, Twitch, and Instagram, and TikTok. I'm everywhere.
I've known him forever. Let's get it going.
Dang, man. They talking about he finna come back, y'all. Man, come on, man. I gotta get the Camaro getting a hit, y'all. He on the converter a little bit. I feel a couple of raindrops. Man, that dang old Trackhawk ain't hustling like that on that 60-foot. Come on, man. Ah, what is he doing over here at the car, man?
Okay, Camaro gets the hit.
Oh, let's get paid, baby. I should have cleaned up. He couldn't run that down. Yellow, they are.
Hey, lock it in. Come here, lock it in.
Lock it in.
He gonna say that. Do something.
Hey, I found them, y'all. Appreciate it, man. I done came up, y'all. Simba, you ain't do nothing. Where was you betting at? I just won. Yeah, I won then. Huh? Oh, you take the hit away. They ain't, we bet with. Well, it don't matter. Well, you should have betted if you knew he needed a little help. You must have betted with the white truck. That's a weight reduction. Where? Market time, where you bet on that Camaro a while ago?
He drunk, he upset.
Oh, you didn't know?
I'm gonna tell you something, I'm spraying all roaches.
Yeah.
All roaches.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
I don't like roaches.
Don't be the chat. Yeah, they tell you you getting a hit. Damn, man. Yeah, if you would have knew that.
Right, get you something right here, Tyrone.
No, they run your head up.
Damn, they be fucking over pocket time. He said, I asked him, was he getting the hit? He said, no, they run their head up.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.